Divorce doesn't just weigh on your soul, it affects your health too. When we think about divorce, especially gray divorce, most people focus on money, houses, and emotional pain. But what's often overlooked is how deeply divorce can affect your health, especially later in life when your body is already carrying decades of stress and wear and tear. I'm Sharon Lee. I'm a certified divorce and recovery coach and the founder of Free My Assets. Here's what I often see. Stress levels skyrocket, and that stress isn't just emotional. It drives up blood pressure. It drives up blood sugar. It worsens conditions like arthritis or autoimmune disease. Your sleep is disrupted. Anxiety, legal worries, and loneliness all take a toll. And those weeks of poor rest erode focus, memory, and resilience. Mental health is shaken. Depression and anxiety are common in gray divorce, but many feel too ashamed to admit it, especially when others expect them to be strong. And the feelings of aloneness impacts physical health too. In fact, research shows loneliness in older adults is linked to heart disease, weakened immunity, and even cognitive decline. But here's the good news. Health can be rebuilt. Start with steady, manageable habits. Even a short daily walk reduces stress hormones and lifts your mood. Recommit to basic medical care. Please keep your checkups. Follow through with screenings. Don't push your body aside while you're focusing on your divorce. Find emotional outlets such as therapy, coaching, or a trusted support group like The Village right here at Free My Assets. And don't underestimate the power of community. Old friends, new hobbies, or volunteer work. Connection heals in ways medicine simply can't. So I'm inviting you to stay connected, and I truly hope you will. You can start by requesting a free information kit. It is an easy way to take that first step. Or explore the resource library. I've written a ton of helpful material. In fact, there's a series dedicated specifically to, you guessed it, gray divorce, because it's important to talk about it. And if you feel inspired to talk to someone trained and who truly understands, consider scheduling a complimentary coaching session. You can also simply hit the subscribe button because YouTube definitely knows what to do from there. Whatever step feels right for you is the right step. So until we meet again, please take very good care of yourself. And remember, my friend, you are the number one asset. So let's set you free.